Walker here from All Fasteners, New Jersey. Just wanted to take a few seconds to discuss the All Fasteners screw anchors. Some people in the industry might know these anchors as LDTs or large diameter tapcons. Some people might know them as the industry name as wedge bolts. Our anchors are called the All Fasteners screw anchor. Now, we've got a very unique size, 1/4 inch by 1 3/4, 1/4 by 2. These anchors are a deeper thread, smaller diameter, and are worlds better than your blue tapcons. These will actually stop the impact wrench that many of us are using on job sites instead of stripping the screw out. Now we go up to some larger diameters. This is a 1/2 by 4. We have 1/2 inch, we have 3/8 diameter. So call us today to get your sample box. What this will be replacing is your expansion anchor. The pull value on these anchors compared to an expansion anchor, whether it be a sleeve anchor or a wedge anchor, is about 3 times the pull value on these. Now, we've just recently come out with an industry-only 316 stainless fastener in flathead with a star drive. Then we also have that in a button head with a star drive as well. And we have it in hex head. Now, the very unique thing about this fastener is it is 316 stainless. 316 stainless is very soft, and for that reason, we actually forged steel on the end of the anchor and then the 316 stainless on the back end. So you can go and use this anchor with an aluminum shoe. If you're doing curtain wall, if you're doing a window wall system, you can use this 316 stainless because it will not rust, as it's not dissimilar metals. Some of the competitors in the industry are using 410 stainless. If you use 410 stainless and aluminum, they will corrode and rust. Well, call us today for more information or your sample box, or get us to the job site and have us put these to the test and show you how much better they are than the current and old methods of doing anchoring.